Hi love, I'm Koya Webb and I'm going to show you how to make my high protein sugar cookies, but they are sugarless. Yes, I'm going to be using my Lakanto products, and know that you can make this recipe time and time again. You can put different ingredients in. I'm going to show you how, but it's going to be quick, easy, and delicious. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to get started with our sugar mix from Lakanto. Again, it's sugar free, it's sweetened with monk fruit. So we're just going to pour that into our pan. And this whole package makes about 12 cookies. So if you want less, you would just cut the recipe in half. Okay, we're just going to mix that up, separate it a little bit, and then we're going to get a half a cup of coconut oil. So this is Simple Truth Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. And I don't know if you knew, but just in case you don't have measuring cups, it's okay. All you need is a teacup. And so a full teacup is a cup, so a half a cup is just half of the cup. And that's basically all I had in my bottle anyway, so that is absolutely perfect. All right, so now we're just going to put that oil in there like so. Perfect. And now, so the recipe, the package calls for an egg, but instead of egg, you can use a banana. So I have my frozen banana. They're kind of slimy because I actually left them out and they were frozen, so I had to let them thaw out. So I'm just going to drop those in there. And then I am going to make it high protein by using my protein powder. So my protein, the Get Loved Up vanilla protein, is made with pea protein. It's also made with monk fruit, so it's not going to have any added sugar to it. A little bit of sea salt, a little bit of moringa, which is a superfood green. And trust me, it's not going to taste chalky. It's going to taste nice and smooth, but you're getting those extra nutrients from the protein. So we're just going to put 2 scoops of that. So I just put so much good nutrients in there. There we go. And now first I'm just going to whisk it up with my whisker. You have an option. You can, especially if your banana is really nice and soft, like I let mine sit out, you can basically do this just with your hand, just stirring it up. It's nice and incorporated there. Smells good, looks good. And you want it to be thick like that. You really don't have to whip it much. But just stir it around. You can actually see the chunks of banana, and that's good because you're going to be able to taste that nice, yummy banana when your sugar cookies are ready. Now, here's the kicker. Here's how you add a little crunch to your cookies. You have the Lakanto granola. You have the cinnamon almond crunch. I love this granola. It's going to make it nice and crunchy and chewy. So I'm going to put that in like so, and then just mix it up again. Now I'm just going to mix it up with my hands because now it's starting to get really thick. So I'm going to retire my whisk. And y'all know I love using my hands. It just makes things so much better. And if this is your first time on my page, I have so many more cooking and wellness videos coming. So make sure you subscribe, leave comments. I love hearing from you. So now I'm just going to do this with my hands. It just feels good getting your hands dirty. And this is really great for kids to do. As you can see, it's just nice and chunky, and that's absolutely perfect. That's exactly what you want it to look like. Just like cookie dough. And now you're just going to take it, make a little ball, and you do not have to make it look like a cookie. You just make it look like a drop. When it cooks, it's going to flatten out on its own. So I'm just going to put that on my cookie sheet. And all you need is parchment paper. I don't use the aluminum foil. I just use parchment paper, and that works. So you just keep rolling them up. It can get kind of messy. So if you have a friend or a family member that you can get to do this with you, you can have a lot of fun getting messy. All right, so we're going to make 12 of those. I'm going to wash my hands. All right, I'm just going to put this away because I actually already made the cookies for you, and I'm just going to show you what they'll look like. So here you are. Put these in the oven. They're going to go on 325, and you're going to leave them in there for 12 minutes. And look how amazing and perfect and chewy. Mmm, 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 Wow. These are the best sugar cookies. I mean, just look at them. You can see the granola. These make me so happy. I can eat these every day. I don't feel bad because they're sugarless. So until next time, get loved up, love yourself, love others, and love the world. One day at a time, one breath at a time.